Hi, my name is Leah and I'm currently in my last semester in Social Sciences at UNC College. I've been in this program since more than a year and a half now, and in the psychology profile, we learn to research, analyze, and communicate with others. I want my job to be in the field of law or criminology, so I'll need to be able to communicate by oral or writing with professionals or clients easily and fluidly, and in my opinion, both of them are a field-related challenge. I will now explain to you how to use the virtual writing tutor that will help you a lot with this field-related challenge. To find the site, just write virtualwritingtutor.com in the address bar at the top of the screen. Now you can see the logo in the top left corner of the screen and some icons in the top right corner of the screen to share the website with your friends. Just under the logo, we have the navigation menu where we can, for example, learn more about the website, play games, and have access to a profile. Under the navigation menu, you have the option for your text, like to count your words, to correct grammar, and correct punctuation. In the middle of the screen, we have the text area where we can copy-paste the text we want to correct. In the bottom right corner of the text area, we have some options to help us. If we click on example 1 or example 2, a text appears and it gives us an example of how the website corrects our text. Here, we can see the number of words and paragraphs and also the numbers of errors. At the right of the examples, we have the microphone to test our pronunciation, or the structure of a sentence. At the right of the microphone, we have the speech button, where we can hear and learn how to pronounce a word or a sentence correctly. For example, if I want to build a case of one of my clients to present to the court, I can write my client has no prior criminal record with a good rehabilitation. He has a low risk of recidivism. I just have to click on the button Check Grammar at the top left corner of the text area. If I'm going in the bottom of the page, I can see all my errors and then correct them. If I have to speak at the court and I'm not sure about how to pronounce a word, I can write it and click on the speech button at the bottom right of the text area.
Misdemeanor.
Now I can be sure I'll make no writing errors or speaking errors and look professional. So this is how the virtual writing tutor works, and I wish you will use it to help you with English in your current life. Thank you for watching.